Hello, we're going to show you how to build circuits based on schematics. The first thing is all these symbols. This is a speaker. The speaker looks like a cylinder, a black cylinder with two leads. One of the leads should be longer, and this longer lead is the positive. So the positive. All the positives are on top of the schematics. And now, if you happen to have a speaker that have leads that's the same length, there will be a plus sign printed on the lead that is the positive lead. And these squiggly lines are resistors. This little triangle thing with little arrows pointing out is an LED. So this looks like an LED. And Adam just put a resistor out. So that's a resistor. And this is an LED. LED is also polarized. So it has two leads. The longer lead is going to be the positive. So in this case, this is going to be the positive side of the LED, and this is going to be the negative side. Okay, and this symbol is a push button, a momentary switch. This is a push button. The push button has four legs. However, these two legs, the bottom two are always permanently connected, and the top two are always permanently connected. When you push down the button, the top legs are connected to the bottom legs. Okay, and this last one, this symbol is a normally closed momentary push button, which is this sensor here. Inside this cylinder, it has two leads coming out, and there's a round metal ball. When you hold it upright, the gravity pushes the metal balls down, making a contact. When you shake it, when you turn it upside down, the metal ball moves up, opening up the contacts. Okay, so let's build one of these circuits. Let's pick one, and we'll build. Maybe we'll build this circuit. Okay, the top number D4, D3, D2. All these D numbers are actually ports on the Arduino. So this is the Arduino, and these are the ports. Okay, or the pins on the Arduino. Okay, so so if we want to build what? What? Oh, breadboard. Oh, Adam's trying to tell you breadboard. So if we want to build this circuit, for instance, we will connect port D4 on the Arduino to a resistor, to one end of the resistor. Adam, can you connect this to D4 somewhere on the breadboard? Okay. Good. And let's and we'll route it to one of the breadboard. These breadboard, how they work is that you have all these vertical holes are all connected. All these 5 holes are connected, and these 5 holes are connected to themselves, and these 5 are connected. They are not connected horizontally. Okay, so if I plug a wire into one hole here, then all these 4 holes are electrically connected to that wire. So I'll route this to an empty space, and then I'll put one end of the resistor to that hole. Okay, and then I'll put the other end of the resistor to another empty vertical slot. And now I've got the D4 connected to one end of the resistor, and the other end of resistor is dangling and is connected here. And we want to connect the red LED. And remember, the positive side of the LED is always going to be pointing up. So I want to connect the resistor to the positive side of the LED, the positive leg. And Adam has nicely shown us that. And then, so I've got the D4 connected to one end of the resistor, the other end of the resistor connected to the positive LED. Now the negative LED I want to connect to ground. This symbol is called ground, GND. And on the Arduino, there's a port named GND ground. So we want to connect the other end of the resistor to that port. I mean the other end of the LED to that port. GND, I think it's here. Okay, so that's it. That is the circuit. Bye-bye. Adam, do you want to say bye? No? Okay. How do I stop this?